Hello everyone, this is Fem Mavin and I welcome you to the second module of this class. In today's class, you will learn how to use Alight Motion app, how to animate with Alight Motion, how to use all the effects on Alight Motion, and how to use all the features on Alight Motion. So I have sent the app on the Telegram group, and I think by now you should have downloaded the app on your mobile phone. So this app, Alight Motion. So once you install the app on your phone, then you will click on it. Click on the app. It will load. So you will allow it to load. So this app interface, as you can see, we have different interface here. We have the plus icon here. We have the plus icon. We have the templates. We have the projects. We have the creators icon. We have the home icon. So all this is not necessary. Both the creators, home, the main editing interface here is the this plus icon, this project, and this project and plus icon is the main thing we are going to use in this class. So let's start with this plus icon. Under this plus icon, we have different sizes, different video sizes. We have 16:9, we have 9:16, we have 4:5, we have 1:1, we have 4:3. So it depends on the type of video you want to create. If you want to create video for a YouTube channel, that means you will use 16:9. If you want to create video for Instagram story or Instagram reels, you will use 9:16. If you want to create video for Instagram posts, you will use 4:5 and 1:1. So you can also edit the size. If you can't find the size you want to use, you can click on this icon here, this editing icon. So once you click on it, then you will give it the size you want. If you want any size you want, if it's 3690, so you can edit it. So in this session, you will be using 16:9, and under this, we have talk on this one now. We have work on this from here. We have work on this. So now we have the resolution. Yeah, we have the resolution, and we have different resolution. We have 720p, we have 540p, we have 1080p, and we have 1440p. So you can use any resolution you want, but the best resolution here is 1080p and 1440p. So in this video I'll be using 1080p, and we have different frame rates here. We have 60, 50, 48, 30, 25, 24, 20, 18, 15, 12. So you don't have to change this one because 30 fps, 30 frame rate is the best. So just click on it. You don't have to change this one. Then under the background section, we have transparent, we have blue, we have green, we have light gray, we have white and black. So click on transparent so as to edit from scratch. So once we have set all this, now we have choose the video size you want to use, which is 16:9. We have choose the resolution size we want, which is 1080p. We have choose the frame rate, which is 30 fps, and we have choose our background, which is transparent background. So next thing you have to do is just to click on create projects. So this is Alight Motion interface, the editing interface of Alight Motion. As you can see, we have different icon here. We have different icon here. We have the duplicate icon, and here as well we have icon here, and we have two icon here. So let me start with this plus icon, this one. So let's start with this one. So when you click on this icon here, you will see different icon as well. You will see the shape icon, the media icon, the audio icon, the object and element icon, and the template icon, the free hand drawing icon. We have the free hand drawing icon, the vector drawing icon, the text icon. So let's start with the shape icon. So under the shape icon, we have different type of shape here. We have the circle shape, we have plus shape, we have a lot of shape here. So it depends on the type of shape you want to use for your project. So in this video, let's use the rectangle shape. So you might be wondering, sir, if I want to fill in this frame, like, if you want to fill in this frame with background, so it's very simple. Once you click on the shape, like you click on the rectangle shape, so you will tap on it, then this 3-dot icon at the top here, this 3-dot icon, you will click on it, click on the 3-dot icon, click on it, then fill it to the screen, fill it to the frame. You click on stretch to composition area, click on it. As you can see, the shape I've already filled in the frame. So let's go back. This is how the shape is before. So I want to fill in the shape to the frame. So you tap on the shape, then come to this 3-dot icon, click on it, then click on stretch, as you can see, stretch to composition area. You click on it, tap on the shape, come to this 3-dot icon, then click on stretch to composition area. So click on it, then give me the color you want to use. So in this video, I'll be using my brand color. So the frame I've already been filled up. So next one is the media. In this media, you will bring in any video, any animate, any image from your media. If you want to bring in any animate, like this one is my download file, so I can bring in any picture, any image. So let's bring in this image now. So you can bring in any image from this media, any image. That's the function of this media. So the next one is the audio. This audio, you can bring in any sound. You click on this audio, click on it, click on view all, so click on it, then you will see different icon here. We have the song icon, we have the album icon, we have the artist icon, and we have the genre icon. So we have 4 icons here. This song icon will allow you to bring in any music from your album, any music. You can play the music like clicking on this left side. So you can play the music there. And if you want to bring in any music, click on this plus icon, to add the music to your video. Just click on it. Once you click on it, as you can see, the audio already be added to your editing interface. As you can see, you can play the music here. So we have worked on shape, media, audio. So the next one is album, the music, and we have the artist, and we have the genre. So that's all about audio. Then the objects and elements. Under these objects, we have 4 different icons. The first icon, we have the camera icon. Under this camera icon, the function of this camera is to zoom in and zoom out an element or an object. So for example, let me bring in a shape here. Let me use a circle shape. As you can see, this circle shape is very, I reduce the size to a smaller size. So if I want to zoom out this circle shape to be bold, then I will bring in this camera icon. Click on this, come to object and element, bring in this camera icon. Once you click on it, then you click on the camera icon, then you will come to this size. We have different icon here. We have the move and transform icon, we have to move it, and we have the rotate icon to rotate it, and we have the size icon to zoom in and zoom out. So we're using zoom in and zoom out. So I want this icon to be bold, this circle shape to be bold. So then I will click on zoom in and zoom out. Then I will use a keyframe here. I'll put in a keyframe here. As you can see, the meaning of this keyframe is to animate this circle shape. So I want this circle shape to be bold. I'm working on the we have worked on the media, we we have worked on the audio, and now we are objects and elements. So I want to explain how this camera effect work, because we are at this camera effect section now. So I've already clicked on the camera effect, and I want to show you how it works. And this is a circle shape. The circle shape is a smaller size, and I want to zoom in. I want to make it a bigger size. Then I've already clicked on this camera effect. Then I will use this camera effect to make this circle shape big. So I will come to this zoom in and zoom out, click on it, then put a keyframe here, put a keyframe at 1 second, then go back to, then come to 1 second. So I will make this camera to be smaller as well. So just come here, scroll down, as you can see, look at this place, the camera effect is the camera effect filling the screen before, so I want to make it smaller. So if the camera effect is smaller, the circle shape will be bigger. And if you want to know if the circle shape is bigger, just come here, click on this place, click on it, then you will see this icon here, which means the camera effect have been off. So you want on it to see what we are doing, if the circle shape is bigger or is not bigger. So just click on it, come here, click on it, so click on it. As you can see, the circle shape is bigger. So let's off it again. Before we use this camera effect, the circle shape was smaller. As you can see, the circle shape now is small. So if you want to zoom out, if you want to make this circle shape to be bigger, then we're going to use this camera effect. The camera effect here, just click on it, then click on it, come here, come to zoom. That's the function of the camera effect. Come to zoom in and zoom out, put a keyframe at 0 seconds, put a keyframe at 1 second, then scroll down to make this camera to be smaller, so just scroll down. As you can see, the camera effect now is small. So if we come here and on the camera effect, you see that the circle shape will be bigger. So let's click on it. As you can see, the circle shape is bigger, and if you off it again, the circle shape will be smaller. So that's the function of this camera effect. Will make your object to be bigger, and it will make your object to look more real. So that's the function of this camera effect. And next one, we have null effect. This null effect is used if you want to let me use this word, this merge. If you want to design, if you want to create a flyer design and you want to merge like 5 elements together, so that's the function of this null effect. It will help you to add like 5 elements in a single 5 elements together without losing the quality. So like, let me use this is one circle shape. Let me duplicate this circle shape and bring in another circle shape, as you can see, and that one. So another circle shape and that one. So I want to control these 3 shapes together, and there's no way I can do it if only I merge it like this, and I don't want to merge it, so I'm going to use this null effect. So I will click on the first shape. This one is the first shape, as you can see, the circle 3. So you will come here, you see this icon here, yeah. So you click on this icon here, then you will click on null effect. You will add this circle 3 to this null effect. Null 1, you add it to it. So you click on here. As you can see, it has been joined together. The null effect have been joined with the circle. So you come to circle 2 as well, add it to the null. Come to circle 3, add it to the null. So I want to move these 3 elements at once. So let's So if you want to know, I've already matched the 3 elements to this null, and it will be easier for me to move the 3 elements together. So let's see. As you can see, I can move it together. I can move it. But if you click on this circle shape, so this null effect will help make it to move it. But if you click on this circle shape without clicking on none, you can't move it. You can't move it. As you can see, you can't move it together. So this null effect will allow you to move like any shape, 10 elements, 20 elements together using this null effect. As you can see, we have 3 shapes here, and I was able to move it together without margin using the null effect. As you can see, I can move it together. As you can see, move it together. So that's the function of the null effect, which will allow you to move elements together, move it together at once. Like you can move 5 elements, 10 elements together at once. So that's the function of the null effect. So if the null effect is not available here, you see you won't be able to move any. You won't be able to move the 3 shapes together. As you can see, you can't move together. So, but let me bring back the null effect by clicking on this icon. Clicking here. So to bring back the null effect, as you can see, the null effect is not here now. So I'll click on this place to bring it back. So as you can see, it's back. So let me use it again. As you can see, so that's the function of the null effect. So the last one here, we have the empty group. So this empty group, the function, if you want to edit like 2 elements together, so you click on this group. For example, we have a frame here, this color. So if you want to edit like 2 projects in the frame, so you click on here as well. As you can see, this is an empty frame. So you can click on this place as well, like click on this place, add shape together, add shape. So you can click on it and edit the way you like. It's very easy. So that's version of the group 1. And the last one here is we have the elements. So this element is where you can edit any animation and bring it to the editing process, like the project stuff. So click on it. As you can see, so we have worked on the shape, we have worked on the media, we have worked on the audio, we have worked on the objects, and we have worked on so last one here is the template. So the template is where you can download templates from Alight Motion. So Alight Motion also offers templates which you can install to Alight Motion. So that's all. And now we have worked on these 4 elements. Now we have worked on these 4 elements. So now we have these 3 elements, which is the freehand drawing element, the vector drawing, and the text element. So let's start with the freehand drawing. So now this freehand drawing, you can use this freehand drawing. You can draw anything that you like. This freehand drawing. Once you click on it, then you will reduce the size, like this size like this. So as you can see, it's big. So if you want to make it small, as you can see, it's small. But if you want to make the size to be bigger, so you increase this the freehand drawing size. Use this size. As you can see, it's big. If you want to make it small, I will make it small like this. Just freehand drawing. Like if you want to draw anything, just something freehand. Very easy. You can see, you want to draw a circle, you want to draw anything, very easy. So that's the function of the freehand drawing. And the next one, we have the vector drawing. This vector drawing allow you to edit, to draw any shape. For example, now if I want to draw this star shape, so I'm going to use the vector drawing. So let me go back to vector drawing. Click on the vector drawing. As I see, here is the star. So this vector drawing allow you to edit, to draw any shape. As you can see, you can draw any shape using this vector drawing. So that's the function of the vector drawing. Allow you to draw any shape. So that's the function of the vector drawing. Allow you to draw shape using this vector drawing. So that's that about the elements, the media, the audio, the template, the freehand drawing, the vector drawing, and the text. So the text will allow you to type in text here. and edit it. So here we can type text, and you will come here to give it the font you want. If it is Poppins, so here you can find fonts here by clicking on serif fonts. Here we have different type of fonts here, and sans serif we have fonts here. So you can choose the font that you like. Just come here to on the font, on it. Come here to on the font. As you can see, we have different type of fonts here. So it depends on the font you want to use. If you want to use sans serif font, you have to click just sans serif font. You won't click on the other font, sans serif. So to bring in the sans serif font that is available on Alight Motion. So you can use any font here. So before you can use this font, you have to on your data. So that's everything about Alight Motion tests and the elements. So for example, let me use the popping. As you can see, this text is changed, and if you want to give this text a color, click on this place, use the color that you want, use a white color. Then if you want to increase the size to a bigger size, click on this place and increase the size. As you can see, the size is increased already. So this function is this one is to increase the size of your font, this one is to give your font a color, and this one is to change the font to either sans serif font, monospace, favorites, handwriting, imported, display. Lot of fonts here. You have to choose one that align well with your project. So that's about this icon here. We have shape. We have work on shape, media, where you import your picture, your video, your element, audio, where you add sound to your project. Here where you use the camera, the null, the empty, the elements, and here templates where you import templates. The templates edited by Alight Motion Creator. And this here we have the freehand drawing, which I've explained. Allow you to draw anything you want, like something like freehand, free to edit, free to draw. It's not easy, just play with it. And we have method drawing, where you draw any shape using this photo drawing. As you can see, you giving it color, draw any shape, you can play around with it, and the more you use it, the more you know how to use the icon. And here we have the text section, where you input your text. So AY flap, you can see. So you can change the font to any font you want. If it's sans serif font, if it's serif font, then this section you change this icon here, allow you to give it a color, and here you increase the size, bigger size, smaller size. So that's about the icon here. So I think we are done with this. So the next icon here is this full icon. So let me explain. So here we have, let's start with this one. Here we have redo and undo. So here, as you can see, redo. I want to redo everything from the start, and here we have undo from where I stop. So that's the function of this one. Then here we have this arrow icon here. This means if you want to start from the end side, click on it. As you can see, the end side of the editing. And if you want to start from the first side of the editing, click on here, click here. As you can see, the first side of the editing. And here we have play. You should play your edit to know how your edit is sit. And here we have the duplicate section, where you can duplicate your elements. Like if you want to duplicate this text, once you click on it, come to duplicate. As you can see, we have duplicate, we have save presets, we have copy layer. So you click on duplicate and click on it, will be duplicate the layer to 2. And here we have this place, we have the screen where you where you can see the grid line. If you want to give your frame a grid line, as you can see here, you can increase the grid line. So here this place, this icon allow you to on the grid line and off it, on the grid line and off it. And here we have the camera section, which I explained earlier, this camera section. So that's all about the elements on Alight Motion. So now I've explained all the elements, all the icons. So now it's time to explain the elements. So Alight Motion have elements which you can use to edit your text, to edit your shape, and many more. So once you import the shape here, so let me just delete this place and start from scratch so you can understand. So this, we have a blank space here, and I explained that if you want to fill in this frame, you have to come here, click on the shape you want. Click on the shape you want. Once you click on the shape, then you come to this 3 dot icon, click on stretch to composition area, then give it the color that you want. So that's how to fill in this place. So once you click on the color, bring in another shape. So once you bring this another shape, as you can see, we have color and fill, we have border and shadow, we have blend and opacity, we have move and transform, we have edit shape, we have presets, and we have effects. So let's start with this color and fill. You can change this color to any color that you want. Color and fill. And if you want to remove the color and give it a stroke, just click on this icon here. Once you click on it, then the color will be removed, which you can give it a stroke. Once you remove the color, then come to border and shadow, where you can give it a stroke. And here you will change the stroke color, this place. Change the stroke color from black to white, so you can see the shape. As you can see, we have the circle shape has color before, which is this color, the green color. And now we move the color and give it a stroke, which we click on this place to give it a stroke. Click here and come back to border and shadow. Here, border and shadow, click on this, then give it a color. And here you can scroll up and down to increase or decrease the stroke size, as you can see. So increase or decrease the stroke size. So that's the function here. And we have different icon here, as you can see. We have different icon here. So let me explain this icon here. So if you import a rectangle shape like this, and you want so we have border and shadow, and we have shadow, we have border, and we have shadow. So this border allow you to give your text a border which you can increase. As you can see, you can give it a border which you can increase and decrease. And here we have a shadow which you can give your text a shadow. So let me change the color so you can see it. I'm change the color of this shadow to blue, to light green, as you can see. So let me increase this shadow. As you can see, the shadow is there. You can see the shadow is there. So that's about the border. So as you can see, here we have the stroke. Don't forget, we have stroke, the first one. The second one we have border, and the third one we have shadow. So I've given it a shadow already. As you can see, the shadow is there. So let me change the shadow to this color, so for you to see it better. Let me delete this one and come here. As you can see, the shadow has been given to this circle shape. So as you can see, the shadow is on already. So that's the work of a shadow, and that's all about this element. So now we have blending and opacity. So if you want to decrease the opacity, you will move it to 0%. If you want to increase the opacity, you will increase it. You will change this the percent to 100%, which you increase the size here. As you can see, increase, decrease, increase, decrease. And here we have the blending option, which you can change it to darken. As you can see, it will blend with the background. You can change it to lighting. As you can see, it will blend with the background. You can see we have different option here. I change the contrast, overlay, soft lights, add lights. As you can see, so we have different option here. And so let's change it to normal. So here we have move and transform. You can move it. This first icon here allow you to move your shape from one side to another side, as you can see. So you click on this place, for you to move it from one side to another side. As you can see, move it. And here we have rotate. Here we have rotate, which you can rotate the shape and to rotate it. And here we have the zoom in and zoom out to increase the size. As you can see, that's the work on this third icon here. This third icon. And last one, we have the perspective, which will allow you to skew your shape. For example, let's bring in a square shape. As you can see here, we want to bring in a square shape. Let's come to the last one here, which is the skew. You can call this perspective as well. So just come here, click on this place. Once click on it, then let's skew this shape. As you can see, it's bending. As you can see, so that's the work of this skew. Allow you to animate to skew this shape. As you can see, skew it to where you like. Just skew it. So that's the work of this one. And here we have 3 dots here, which will allow you to reset the skew to bring it to the normal size, or to reset it to make it smaller. So that's the work of these 3 dots. To reset the skew, assuming you have already animated the skew now. So if you want to reset it to the beginning, just come to reset and skew, reset skew. So as you can see. And here we have the coffin. And before this can work, as you can see, when I click on it, keyframe required, which means I need to put in a keyframe before I can use this icon. Without a keyframe, this icon cannot work at all. So you need to on a keyframe. Then what is the function of a keyframe? Keyframe allow you to animate a shape, animate an element, for you to move it from one side to another. So here's the keyframe we are talking about. We have a keyframe here. So let me click on it. So before you can animate an element or an object, you need to use 2 keyframes. Because if you just click on this keyframe like this, as you can see, before you can on this keyframe, you need to click on it like this, on. So if you use 1 keyframe, it can't work. So you need to use 2 keyframes for it to work, as you can see. So I've already given a 2 keyframe now, 2 keyframe, 1 and 2. So it will be easier for me to use the curve tool. This curve tool. The other time when I click on this curve tool, it said keyframe required, and now we have given the keyframe. So let's click on it. Let's click on it. As you can see, it works immediately. That's the function of this curve. Without keyframe, this curve cannot work. So that's all about the move and transform. And next one, we have edit shape. This place you can edit the shape. You can make it wider. You can make it smaller. It depends on the type of video you want to create. And the last one here, we have the effects. So here we have different type of effects here. So focus, because this is the main stuff I'm going to be using in this class. I'm going to be using the effects. So let's start from scratch. We have the color and light effects. We have the blur effects. We have the procedural effects. We have the move and transform effects. We have the mask and key effects. We have the text effects. We have the drawing and edge effects. We have the distortion and warp effects. We have 3D effects. We have repeats, and the last one we have opacity and visibility. So let's start with color and light. This section we have the brightness and contrast. So if you want to increase the brightness of this color, as you can see, the brightness increase to white from this color. As you can see, allow you to increase the brightness of your elements or your image or your shape. So that's about brightness and contrast. For example, you can bring in an image by clicking on this media, which I explained earlier. As you can see, this lavin model. So once you click on it and you come to effects, you can increase the brightness by coming to color and light. That's the first effect here. We have brightness and contrast. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can increase the brightness and you can decrease the brightness as well. It depends on what you want to do. And so that's the function of brightness and contrast. Then the next one, we have drawing. We have bulk map, which will give your image map. As you can see, you can give your image map. You can scale it here. Come to scale. As you can see, scale it here. As you can see, scale it or make it smaller. And here you can stretch it here. You can stretch it. It depends on what you want to create for your video, and you can change the angle to the other side angle, and here we can crop it, and offset. You can just change it, make it move. So we have as you can see, we have the pop map, we have the color and temperature. You can just play with this effect, play with it. We have color tone, we have colorize, we have dark and glow. Because I don't want this tutorial to be long, so you just have to play with it yourself. And the more you use it consistently, then you know how to use all the effects. We have exposure, 4 color gradients, and more effects here. We have drawing an edge here. We have blur effects here. We have the distortion and warp. We have the procedural effects here. We have the 3D effects here. We have the move and transform. We have the repeat. We have the matte and max. We have the opacity. We have the text, and we have the other effects here. So in this course, we'll be using just few effects here. We'll be using the first effect, which is oscillate. We have different type of effects here. We have the corner and lights. We have the drawing and edge, blur, distortion, procedure, 3D, move and transform. So under this move and transform, we have what we call oscillate. So oscillate will make your object to move up and down. For example, let me begin a shape. I want to show you the function of this effect. So oscillate will make your shape to move up and down. Just change this degree to 90 degree. 90 degree, as you can see. Decrease this one to 0.35 and this one to 15. So let's see how it works. So let me put it to 36, 49. Just make sure this one is 90 degree. Then these two, you can just give it to any number you want, but this one should be at 90 degree. As you can see, it's moving up and down. So that's what we are going to use in this motion flyer class, to animate our elements. So as you can see, moving up and down. So that's version of this oscillate. And if you off this oscillate now, this icon here allow you to off and on, off, on, off. If you off it now, it will move, but if you on it, it will move. So that's version of the elements here. So now let me do a recap of what I've explained. Here we have an icon here. We have different video sizes. We have 9:16. We have 4:5. We have 1:1. Here we have different sizes which you can use, and here we have resolution size, which you can click on your resolution. And here we have the frame rate here. Click on it, and here we have the background, and here we have the create project. Once you click on the size you want to use for your video, the 16:9 is used for YouTube channel, or is used to create a brand video, and 9:16 is used to create video for Instagram story. Is used to create video for Instagram reels, and this size here is used to create video for Instagram posts, and here is used to create video for logo animation. So here you can use 16:9 to create your video. So once you click on it, this place is blank. So if you want to fill in this frame, just come here, click on this shape here as I discussed earlier, and come to these 3 dots, click on stretch to composition, as you can see, and then give it your color. Very easy. And if you want to bring in shape, as I discussed earlier, click on this icon here. Click on this icon. So once click on it, as you can see, we have the shapes, different shape here. If you want to bring in your image, just come to media. As you can see, you can bring in your image here. If you want to as you can see, if you want to import your audio, if you want to import your element, and if you want to import your templates. So it's very easy. So that's all you need to know about Alight Motion. I will see you in the next class.